Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be part 4 of the Rhino FR 180 restoration. In this episode I'm going to be doing a little bit of paint prep work. I'm going to remove the hitch off the front here, remove the divider gearbox, and get ready to do a lot of sanding, some rust treatment in some areas, and a little more sanding, and get ready to spray some paint. So before I prime and paint all this, I'm spraying on a product called Skyco, and it's basically an acid that kills rust. So all this has really got some rust in it. If you get it on you, it really burns, so don't get it on you. I don't know my hand. But anyway, spray all this on, you let it sit overnight, and it just kills the rust and basically turns it to like a black oxide where it was rusty. And then you just take and brush it off. It'll make like a white powdery substance, and you'll brush it off before you prime it. But for these heavily rusted spots like this, I'm going to probably have to treat it twice where it's really ate up, like here and all this down here. So if you don't mix it with water, you just spray it on. I use this little pump up sprayer, and again I'm going to let it set overnight tonight, and then tomorrow I'll brush it off, make sure all the rest of the loose paint's off. I got most everything pretty much sanded down. I got a few little spots to get like up in the corners, but anyway, it will be, as soon as it's not windy and not raining, which seems to be never these days, I'll be able to shoot some primer. So I got this sprayed on this travel leakage, and now I'm going to run over here to the bat wing itself and spray it down. First coat of primer's on. Started out with some white, gray / gray, did this side, ran out, so then I switched to red and recoated everything. I'm gonna let this dry for a couple days, and then I'm gonna go ahead and recoat it again. Let's do a couple little places I got to do some sanding, like right here I didn't get the paint scratched off good enough, the old powder coat, so now you can kind of see the spots, but I gotta sand a few of those down, and then I'm gonna hit it again. I went ahead and took this divider off so I can make sure I got all the way up under here good. Difficult there for different boxes, I guess, to mount different things. Now I got all these parts up here. Got them washed off. I'm going to take the wire wheel all these down and sand up, get them ready for priming. Start working on that. You may wonder why I'm mixing up green paint. The reason is because I can't find the factory Rhino orange anywhere except for in a spray paint aerosol can for $40 online. So I was looking at Rhino's website and looking at some of their new rotary cutters, and I came across a section where you could build one, and I was just curious to see what this rotary cutter would cost new if I built it with all the specs that this one has. So I did that, and I got down to the paint options, and I noticed a section you could select like 5 different paint choices, and I seen that they had John Deere green as a paint choice. So here it is for all you John Deere fans. I'm going to go with John Deere green to repaint it. I've seen a few on Google Images, and they look pretty good, so I decided to go with it. So I got the first coat of green paint sprayed in between days of rain. So now I've let it set for several days. Tomorrow is the 30th, and it's been about 6 or 7 days since I've got this painted green. I'm going to try and go ahead and get it all recoated, get it taped off, paint the gearboxes black. And meanwhile today I'm working on getting all these other little parts sanded down and prepped, so whenever I paint either tomorrow or Friday, I'll go ahead and shoot all these small parts and get all them done and let them get dried and cured good so they can be bolted back on. We got the travel linkage all flipped over, so my plan is I'm going to coat it tomorrow again, hopefully twice, let it get cured out, then Friday bolt it all on, get it in place, and then recoat the entire brush hog 2 more times, let it cure, and then sand it a little bit and put a clear coat on it. So I'm gonna start working on that, and that's where we're at for right now. Alright guys, that's going to do it for part 4. Stay tuned for part 5. It doesn't rain like it has been every single day. Hopefully in the next week I'll be getting close to getting this thing done. So anyway, if you haven't already checked out part 1, 2, or 3, make sure you watch those. And as always, if you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time.